Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make photo and text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make photo and text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Right, tap Text box. Here before typing text, we first set the size and format of the text according to what we want. For example, I type Spateria. We set it first. Next, we go to the Shape Format menu. In the text section, we tap down and select Picture. And select from a file. Then we can select the image that we will insert into the text. Tap Insert. Now here the image is already in the text. Inserting images into text in PowerPoint serves to increase visual appeal, strengthen branding, and make presentations more creative and attract the attention of the audience. How to? Go to the Shapes Format menu. Select Text File. Down select Texture. Now here there are many choices of textures that you can choose according to your wishes. And besides texture, we can also insert gradients into text. Go to the Shapes Format menu. Select Text File. Down select Gradient. Well, here are many gradient options that you can choose according to your wishes. Inserting images into text in PowerPoint serves to make the design more attractive and artistic, strengthen visual messages, and provide unique aesthetic elements in presentations. So that's it. Tutorial how to make photo and text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.